Okay, good day to all who are watching me. My name is Joan Bastilla, a 7th semester agronomy student at the National Open and Distance University. Mm, this video is made to continue with task 4 of the English course, uh, where I express my situation of disagreement with the negative impact on the environment caused by the production processes of a company. Mm, In this way, the letter is addressed to the post-owned company, taking into account that the production processes carried out there contribute directly and indirectly to the contamination of our planet's natural resources. Resources such as air and water can be highlighted. In this case, the abundant production of solid waste is one of the problems uh, identified with the most negative impacts, since it affects our ecosystem and its natural dynamics. For example, the destruction of flora and fauna, which can lead to the extinction of different animal species. Um, on the other hand, it was proposed to the company to take actions to improve this problem, carrying out environmental projects that compensate and help mitigate the damages caused. Likewise, it can be emphasized that the production of solid waste with ecological materials and of rapid decomposition um, can be an important help to combat the problem. Uh, in addition to the recycling days in the points most contaminated by said waste, and accompanied by campaigns that encourage people to recycle, to make better use of solid waste. Finally, it is made clear to the owner and his company that by not taking my proposals into account, I will proceed to make environmental proposals with the entities in charge of protecting the environment and our planet. This is how the video ended. I appreciate your attention.